Hello friends, welcome to my another project. We are going to develop Django blog app. Here are some steps to start our project. So without getting any late, let's get started. Step 1, make a new folder, name it blog. Blog folder is create virtual environment. So open in terminal if you are in Linux, open it in command prompt if you are in Windows. So creating virtual environment, use these commands: Python 3 mpenv and name of your virtual environment. Our virtual environment is created. benv is the name that I created. Now we are going to activate our virtual environment. For this, if you are in Windows, use this command. If you are in Linux or Mac, use this command. So I am in Linux. Virtual environment benv is activate. Now step 4, install Django. Installing Django, use this command: pip install Django. It takes some time. Django is installed. Now step 5, create your project. For creating project, use this command: Django admin start project. And your project name. Project is created. Let's check it. Here is my project, my blog. Now we are creating our first app. For creating our first app, we need to change directory. So go to my blog. Now we create our first app by using this command: create our first app. Our first app is created. Here is our first app, main.